Want to build $1 million business? It's a dream many have, but few achieve. The journey to $1 million business is filled with challenges, but also immense rewards. Here's how successful entrepreneurs did it. They didn't just stumble upon success, they crafted it with intention and perseverance. It's not magic, it takes work. But it's possible. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, often with just an idea and a lot of determination. You need passion, hustle, and a plan. Passion fuels your drive, hustle keeps you moving forward, and a solid plan guides your steps. First, dream big. Don't limit yourself. Envision the grandest version of your idea. What does success look like to you? Think about problems you can solve. The best businesses address real needs. What gaps exist in the market that you can fill? What gets you fired up? Your enthusiasm is contagious and can inspire others to join your mission. That passion is your fuel. It will keep you going through the tough times and help you celebrate the good times. Remember Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx? She started with a simple idea and turned it into a billion-dollar empire. She saw a problem, women struggling with panty lines, and created a solution. Her journey wasn't easy, but her determination paid off. Now Spanx is a billion-dollar company. It's a testament to what can be achieved with the right mindset and approach. Your idea doesn't have to be revolutionary, it just needs to address a need or improve something that already exists. It just needs to solve a problem. Focus on how your product or service can make a difference. It needs to make someone's life easier, better, or more enjoyable. When you add value to people's lives, success follows. That's where the magic happens. It's in the value you create and the problems you solve. So, dream big, work hard, and make your $1 million dream a reality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on building your dream business. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Before you launch, research. Know your market. Who are your ideal customers? What are their needs? Don't try to be everything to everyone. Find a niche, focus your energy. Become an expert in that space. Think about GoPro. They didn't try to be another camera company. They targeted adventurers. They focused on durability and unique perspectives. Find your niche. Become the go-to solution for that group. Don't go all in without testing. Start small. Validate your idea. It's tempting to dive headfirst into your grand vision, but taking a step back to test the waters can save you time, money, and heartache. Start with a small, manageable piece of your idea. This way, you can see if it resonates with your target audience before committing all your resources. Get feedback from real customers. Engage with them, ask questions, and listen to their needs and concerns. Their insights are invaluable. They can tell you what works, what doesn't, and what could be improved. This feedback loop is crucial for refining your product or service. Minimum Viable Product or MVP. Heard of it? It's your early version. The MVP is a stripped-down version of your product that includes just enough features to attract early adopters and validate your idea. It's not about perfection. It's about learning what your customers truly want. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it shouldn't be. Perfection can be the enemy of progress. Focus on getting a functional version out there, and then iterate based on real-world feedback. This approach allows you to make informed decisions and pivot if necessary. It just needs to be good enough to test the market. Look at Airbnb. They didn't start with a fully fledged platform. They began with a simple website and a few air mattresses in their apartment. They started by renting air mattresses in their apartment. This humble beginning allowed them to test their concept without significant investment. They learned from their early users and made adjustments accordingly. They wanted to see if people would pay for a different kind of lodging, and they did. This initial success gave them the confidence to expand and improve their offering. Today, Airbnb is a global phenomenon, but it all started with a simple test. The lesson: don't be afraid to start small. Test, learn, and iterate. Each iteration brings you closer to a product that truly meets the needs of your customers. Use data and feedback to guide your decisions. This iterative process is the key to building something that lasts. Your $1 million idea might need a few tweaks along the way, and that's okay. Embrace the process of continuous improvement. Remember, even the most successful companies started small and evolved over time. Your journey is no different. Keep testing, keep learning, and keep growing. Your brand is everything. It's your reputation. It's what people say about you when you're not in the room. Be authentic, be transparent, be you. People connect with realness. Build a strong online presence. Your website, social media, content, they all matter. Make it easy for customers to find you and engage with you. Remember, your brand is a promise. Make sure you can deliver. Section 5. Getting the word out. Marketing is crucial. It's the lifeblood of any business, big or small. Without effective marketing, even the best products or services can go unnoticed. You need to get your message in front of the right people. Identifying your target audience is the first step. Understand their needs, preferences, and where they spend their time. There are countless ways to market your business. From traditional methods like print ads and billboards to modern digital strategies, the options are vast. Each method has its own strengths and can be tailored to fit your specific goals. Social media is your friend. Use it, engage with your audience, run targeted ads, collaborate with influencers. Content is king. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer unique opportunities to connect with potential customers. Create valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires. High-quality content can establish your brand as an authority in your industry. It can also drive traffic to your website and generate leads. Think blog posts, videos, podcasts. These formats allow you to share your expertise and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Regularly updating your content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Personal recommendations are incredibly powerful. People trust the opinions of their friends and family more than any advertisement. Ask happy customers to spread the word. Offer referral bonuses. Encourage them to leave positive reviews online. These small actions can significantly boost your credibility and attract new customers. Experiment with different marketing channels. What works for one business might not work for another. Test various strategies to see which ones resonate most with your audience. Find what works for you and double down. Once you've identified the most effective strategies, focus your efforts there. Consistency and persistence are key to long-term success in marketing. Section 6. Happy customers growing business. Customer service is not a department, it's everyone's job. Treat your customers like gold. Go above and beyond, exceed their expectations. Make them feel valued. Happy customers are your best marketers. They'll tell their friends, they'll leave positive reviews, they'll become loyal fans. Respond to inquiries promptly, address concerns with empathy, show that you care. It makes all the difference. Remember, acquiring new customers is more expensive than retaining existing ones. Focus on building long-term relationships. Section 7. The power of online presence. Your website is your online storefront. Make it count. It should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and mobile optimized. Use high-quality images and videos. People are visual creatures. Capture their attention with stunning visuals. Your website should clearly communicate your brand message, value proposition, and call to action. Don't make visitors hunt for information. Invest in search engine optimization. Make it easy for people to find you on Google. Section 8. Building your team. You can't do it all alone. As your business grows, you'll need a team. Hire people who are smarter than you in specific areas. Delegate tasks that are not your zone of genius. Focus on your strengths and let your team handle the rest. Look for passionate, talented individuals who share your vision. Culture is key. Build a positive and supportive work environment. Remember, a strong team can take your business to the next level. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve. The business world is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve. Embrace innovation. Don't be afraid to experiment. Attend industry events, read books and articles, follow thought leaders, stay informed about the latest trends and technologies, be adaptable, be willing to pivot if something isn't working. The ability to adjust is crucial for long-term success. Remember, what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Stay curious, stay hungry, stay ahead. Section 10, the long game. Building a million-dollar business takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay persistent, don't give up. There will be challenges, there will be setbacks. That's part of the journey. Embrace the ups and downs. Learn from your mistakes. Celebrate your wins, big and small. Acknowledge your progress. Stay motivated. The journey is just as important as the destination. Remember, success is not a straight line. It's about perseverance, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. Section 11, your million-dollar journey starts now. You have the power to create something extraordinary. You have the potential to build a million-dollar business. Take action, start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Believe in yourself, believe in your dream. Want more advice on building your business? Hit me up on social media at Gary V. Let's connect. Let's make it happen.